Hey gang, this is Dwayne from ITMasterKey.com, and today we're going to talk about 3 things that you need to consider before you choose a training program. Number 1, what is your learning style and what kind of environment is conducive to that learning style? So are you better with an online environment that is self-paced and you can go at your own pace and you can do what you want to do and the amount of time that you have? Maybe you got a busy life, busy schedule, you only have a certain amount of time, or you just need it to be available 24 hours. You want to do some work at 2 o'clock in the morning one day, and you want to do some work at 3 p.m. another day, right? As opposed to a more structured classroom environment where you go to school on Monday and Wednesday and you go from 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock, so on and so forth. So the first thing, you have to make sure that the actual classroom environment is going to be conducive to you actually learning. Side note on that, make sure whatever program that you choose that you actually get feedback from people that's actually been through the program. Whether it's reviews from their website or reviews from Yelp or reviews from Google or reviews from your buddies. Just make sure that you get some feedback, positive or negative, before you actually make your decision. Okay, you don't want to throw $20,000, $5,000, or $5 at anything if it's not going to actually have a return for you. Number 2 is one of my pet peeves when it comes to the IT industry. There are a lot of instructors, way too many instructors that are actually teaching and they're not certified in what they're teaching. So that's one of the main things. Make sure that if you're in a program right now or you're thinking about a program, ask your instructor, hey man, you certified in this, right? Because it's kind of weird if you're trying to teach me something and you don't even have the certification. You can't really know the experience unless you've actually been through it yourself. For example, I was going through my MBA program and I asked one of my instructors or professors, I said, hey man, you owned a business before? He was like, no. I was like, so how are you teaching about being a master of business if you never owned a business? We had a big debate and I ended up choking him out, and no, I'm just joking, but it was just, a big debate. And long story short, to bring it full circle, just make sure that the instructor, whether it's because I'm an IT instructor, it's A+, Net+, CISSP, CA, whatever the hell it is, make sure that they are certified in what they're teaching you. Last but not least, make sure that the investment that you have to put forth, time and money, is going to have a fruitful return, right? Let's say that you're getting a program that's $25,000, right? It's a year long, you rock out, you do what you need to do, and at the end of that year, you literally can't find a job, or the job that you are finding or the same magnitude of the job that you could have found without the training, right? This is applicable for college, vocational schools, whatever endeavor you have. Just make sure that your financial investment and that your time investment is actually going to have a return that's actually worth that sacrifice. Okay? So this is Dwayne from ITMasterKey.com. Those are 3 things that you have to do before you choose a training program or a college or any other endeavor. All right? Other than that, I'll see you in class.